Welcome again. It's been a very long time ever since our last vlog, which was 2 years ago. I never completed that one, but for sure this one we are gonna complete it. Oh, what?
I need to go back.
Oh, these girls already had to go brush them in the intro. Oh my God, this thing's heavy.
Don't drop my blanket.
All right, so we are filing our terminal. We just got past our security check, and we are in charge of getting seats for everyone else. So, hope you guys enjoy our video.
You have to hold it like this though. Yeah,
oh, it's recording. Hey.
Raymond? What? Go help me with
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark.
Alright,
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside. Searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Hey guys, we are now at our port G97, and we are all just waiting here for our boarding, which is around soon. Oh, people are already coming in. All the staffs and the pilots are boarding the Singapore airline. So we're all currently just waiting. Brandon's downloading his games, his favorite Rimworld game, and we are eating dehydrated crab chips. Yep, basically. Dehydrated. Alright. I'll see you on the plane. Around 1:50 a.m. in San Francisco. Alright, so they just gave us our economy class food book, and they actually have some pretty decent food. Let's see, so they have the pretty nice orange and lime and then they go to welcome abroad, some blah blah blah, random stuff. And beverages, we can't drink that, but we can drink some soft drinks, fruit drinks and stuff like that. Coffee and stuff like that. I don't really drink coffee, but we got our supper, which I'm not sure when we'll be eating that. It is like 2 a.m. But there's sauteed chicken with mushroom cream sauce. Sounds really good. I really want to try that. It's around, let's see, around 3 a.m.
We're gonna be so jet lagged.
So let's see, we got our sauteed chicken with mushroom. So see our food. Let me put this pillow away, shove it down there. All right.
It's actually hot.
Really? Oh wow, it's very hot.
Fucking burn my arm.
Alright, so let's see. Oh shoot! Oh, it's dripping some juice. Oh my god. Oh, that pasta.
Let's go, boys. School lunch 2.0.
Oh. I thought it was like fettuccine Alfredo.
Okay.
Very good. We are about to land in approximately 10 minutes or 20 minutes, I think. It's around 5:26 a.m. at Hong Kong. Hopefully you can see me. I'm not sure. It's probably really dark. But check this out. There's like some random thunderstrike that happens in the clouds. It's really cool. But at least we can start seeing the wing now because it's getting brighter. It's not that dark. So yeah, I'll see you on the ground. Successful landing, everyone. Successful landing.
Lived.
Oh man, easy peasy. Alright, we have landed and I got all our bags. We are now exiting the plane.